My name is Jeff.
Hey, what is good, people? Welcome to my first ever vlog. If you don't know who I am, you probably see my Instagram reels and TikToks. Cue my TikToks.
She is very gorgeous to me.
So yeah, you know, I'm cringy. I'm funny. I'm here to change the culture and impact people. So yeah, this is my first ever vlog, and I plan to do vlogs every week. So stay tuned. It's vlogs about my life, things that I do, challenges, pranks, travel vlogs, everything. So first ever vlog. Let's get into it. Starting with my nephew's birthday party.
Hey, it's Zanu's #1 fan.
Love you.
Vlog debut. It's your vlog debut. I'm gonna tag you in it.
Wait. Come back to me.
Dude, I'm not fake, okay? Everything's raw, authentic.
All right. So what do you want me to say?
Say your name. What do you do for a living?
All right. My name is Caponizer, and I resell shoes for a living.
What do you do for a living?
I am a workaholic. I work 60 hours per week. I travel once a month.
Bro, that guy looked like Grant Cardone, right in the hat? Yeah. I didn't get time to comment, but I'm like, is that Grant Cardone?
The Daily Roast of One. Hey, I caught you in 4K, okay? Yeah, I did. I caught you in 4K.
No, he didn't.
I caught you in 4K. You can't lie.
No, he didn't. Bro, he didn't know. He didn't know.
Say that camera.
No.
Austin dressed really formal today. We all should be like him.
Drive, bro.
I didn't grab this. It's not even that bad. What are you talking about? Yo, that shit crooked. What the fuck?
This shit's so ugly. Yeah, it's shifted. You can see that there's...
It doesn't look that bad.
No excuses. Yo, Tab. Any words before you play basketball?
I'm gonna show you a New York ball.
Nah, we in Aurora ball.
What's the word on the teams?
You shoot for teams. Damn. Okay, he's not on my team, bro.
Oh, he still went left. Good ball.
Should have floated it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start. They play good.
That's in. He's in form.
That.
Good ball.
Do a face off for my thumbnail.
Why are you trying to roast everybody today, bro?
I'm not. You got a problem?
Wait, do a face off for my thumbnail. Is the
Wait, what? Wait.
It's with the video title.
Like this?
No, like a basketball face off.
Like this. Here, you both hold it.
Wait, so what are the teams gonna be now that come out here?
Go.
Sometimes I look in your eyes and that's where I find a glimpse of love. And I try to fall for your touch, but I'm thinking of the way you are. I can't go to jail. Said I moved on. I'm only here passing time in her